Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is moss rose Portulaca plant. As you can see, it consists of many flower buds. I have planted this in a small tub. It is 1 month old when I planted this. It should be kept in direct sunlight in order to get the flowers more. Uh, we can add eggshells. The eggshells provide calcium. We should also add raw tea powder. It also provides many nutrients to the plant, and it will provide more flower buds. As you can see in the video, it has very beautiful flowers. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.